Hello, my paint pouring family. How are you guys doing this wonderful day? So I've been experimenting with this color palette with the Shelee Art Bloom technique. So today we're doing a Shelee Art Bloom Pour with a black cell activator and then this really gorgeous array of purples that we got going on here. But I think last night I made, 8 sets of coasters with these colors. These colors are amazing together. That's all I can really say. And I am super excited to be able to share this with you guys. So without further ado, I got my Hexagon Towel. This is a 7 by 8 inch. And I was seeing how it looked on some little 4x4 coaster. And thought to myself, well, if it looked that good on a little tiny substrate, it's probably gonna look even better on this. So let's get into it. I layered this dark, this is dioxazine purple. This is mixed to the same ratios as my recipe video. And then I've also been doing some experiments with some mica pigments. I want to say this is like magic purple. Not exactly sure with the colors, so I will put them in the description though. I'll put the brand and the actual colors in the description so you can find them. But these colors are just amazing together. And they're shimmery and metallic, which I love. You know that. I love metallics. So I hope everybody's doing well. I've been having a wonderful day today. I had a nice weekend. This weekend, went to Myrtle Beach State Park, enjoying the beach and just the nature trails and hiking. Stayed out in a little cabin out there. It was amazing. It was great. I needed that break. So now I feel like I'm recharged and ready to take on the day again. So let's blow this black over these colors. We're going to try to blow it so it goes over. There's a lot of paint on this tile, so it might not go completely over, but here we go. These colors are like magic. They really, really are. I couldn't believe that the way these came out the first time I made these. When I made these last night, the way these colors flowed out and the bloom that came across it with that black against that pearl white color, and then all the purple and blue and cells and all that stuff. Absolutely gorgeous colors. And I can see it already that this is going to get paint everywhere. So let me start by just scraping some of the excess off. Alright, so while we're doing that, letting the colors kind of flow back towards the center again, that lacing can open up all nice. And it's already done that, so we're pretty much ready to start spinning. I'm already like, look at that thing. Alright, here we go. This might be one of those, spin it once, and it's done, just because of the amount of paint that was on there. That is gorgeous looking. Oh my gosh. Yep. So, that's the colors. That's those colors in action right there. Goodness. Because you got some of that purple popping through. And what I've seen is, over time, these colors, they become a little bit more defined. Like how you see the purple kind of popping through a little bit there, but it's also starting to come through around the the side farthest from me. But it's just like, wow. Can you guys tell I love Shelee Art Bloom Pours again? Oh my goodness. I stopped doing these for a while and then I came back to it. I'm so glad I did. So we're gonna give this probably about 10 minutes, let the cells define a little bit. But I'm gonna definitely pause the video here so you're not watching that. And then we're gonna definitely come back here and check this thing out, because this thing, I can't even put it into words. It blows me away. It's just gorgeous.
If you want to watch another video just like this, click the screen right now and I'll see you there.